These characters, camera angles, and lighting stay exactly the same from the first second to the last. OpenArt just launched the Smartshot feature, and it is changing how we make long-form AI films. By merging the GPT-2 model for image logic with Seedance 2 for video motion, you no longer have to fight for consistency. You paste one simple idea, and the system builds a full shot-by-shot storyboard. It handles the reference characters, the environment, and the camera settings automatically. The addition of Seedance 2 makes the motion feel cinematic, but the real advantage is the length. You can now extend these videos to whatever duration you need. Go to the OpenArt website by clicking the link given in the description. Click on the Video tab and select the Smart Shot option. The tool interface will open, where you can describe your scene idea in simple words. By scrolling down a little, you can add references, whether they are characters, objects, or environment images. Let's start with a basic story idea to generate a Studio Ghibli-style scene where a boy is running through a glowing forest while being chased by wolves. A giant deer appears and blocks them, with magical lighting and cinematic slow motion. From the Shot Quality tab, I will select High Quality for more in-depth details. I will go with the standard landscape aspect ratio in 720p resolution. On the back end, a new GPT model for images and the Seedance 2 model are working together, so I will go with a 15-second video duration. We can extend it further, and I will discuss that in a couple of minutes. Before generating the actual video, let's click on the Preview Shot button to generate a structured storyboard first, because we can adjust it before moving to the final video generation part. And look at this detailed image, where all the characters are designed in 3 different poses to maintain character consistency. The environment is perfectly designed with camera settings for each shot. Based on the story idea, we have 4 shots with detailed camera lenses like 35mm, 40mm, and 75mm anamorphic, along with camera angles and each shot's duration. The cherry on top is that the lighting details are also added to make the shot crisper and consistent with the environment. Also, we have a detailed video prompt using all the details from the generated storyboard. Here, you can apply different settings to edit this image before generating the final video. Let's have a look at the final output. This video looks quite impressive, with perfect scene motion, smooth camera movement, and consistent characters throughout the shot. It looks like a complete film package, with everything perfectly executed based on the story text. To test its capability further with multiple characters, I pasted this story idea to generate a video where a snowy mountain expedition turns deadly as a massive avalanche crashes down the cliffs. A strict expedition leader, a stubborn climber, and a quiet survival guide struggle against collapsing ice and a blinding whiteout. Here is the storyboard sheet, where all 3 reference characters are designed with all their accessories. The whole story is divided into 5 shots with camera settings and all other necessary details. By clicking on the Generate Video button, here is what we got. Overall, the video looks good in terms of character consistency, scene transitions, and camera movements, but there are minor issues with this rope part. To extend this story, simply drag the storyboard sheet here. Write down this text to develop the story further by selecting this reference image and adding some extra information about what you want. With the same settings, let's click on the Preview Sheet option. And here we have the storyboard sheet for the next 5 scenes, with all camera settings and consistent characters. Let's have a final look at the extended shot. This video looks perfect, with character consistency, scene transitions, and camera movements in the same environment. So, you can extend this further as well to generate a complete film with this new feature of OpenArt. This tool is not limited to animation or cinematic-style videos only. You can also generate product ads and commercials. Take advantage of this amazing feature to generate stunning videos for your next projects. What do you think about this tutorial? Share your thoughts in the comments section. That's all for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.